Hi, are you really worried about the change in PMP exam content? Then I would say you should, because the new content that PMI just released changes not just the way they are going to test. Actually, it is the change in mindset. Generally, when we go for the exam preparation, we have five process grow. We talk about initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, controlling, and closing. But technically, we gave answer that how well we know about the concepts and a little bit how well we can implement those concepts in the real world. But the new paradigm shift, which is going to be applicable from 16th December 2019, is how you are going to implement the concepts in the real world scenario. So technically, it's inverted. Previously, hypothetically, 30% is your implementation knowledge and 70% is your concept knowledge. And if it is going to be rebranded or reshuffled, then it means 30% or maybe less than that is all about how well you know the concepts. But the 70% is how you can implement the concepts in any given scenario. So technically, PMI is going to test you that either you are a project management consultant or not. It's the same way that when you go for some consulting organization and they test you through case interviews. So now, in my opinion, PMI is going to check your knowledge and understanding about project management concepts and frameworks, that how you are going to use these frameworks into real world. So in my opinion, if you want to go for the exam based on new model, I would say it will take around 6 months to 12 months that people will be able to understand the content, they were able to go for the preparation, and there are a couple of related questions which are really helpful for the PMP exam. So my suggestion is rush for the exam and give the PMP exam till September, October. That's max. If you want to go for the exam and want to pass PMP exam with my success guarantee, then join us. Thank you.